industrial department, the manufacturing track doesn't give funding. The human factors does. Like human factors, in fact, has plenty of funding. Like we have 3 students out there; they all got funded after their first semester. So if you're doing human factors, you're fine. Other than that, in manufacturing, like I know 2 people who have some sort of a funding. Like they don't have a full RA; it's more like a paid position. But again, what helped them was their background. So like one of the people who has funding. Like she actually had a software background, so she's working with the statistics department on some sort of simulation project. So yeah, obviously if you know something like coding, or if you know some software or something like that, or like I'm from a polymer background, so my best bet would be to go to the material science department and be like, hey, can I work on this sort of some chemical synthesis project or something like that? That's your best bet. Like within the department you won't find funding, but other departments do. So some of the most well-funded departments are the statistics department, the comms department, and there are other positions you can apply for within the graduate school too. You can have that IT support thing, so like that's one thing. Dining is the most popular and the biggest employer inside, like for students in Virginia Tech. In the gym you can get like a job or maybe something just anywhere, like as a receptionist or something. They have a hotel out here called the Inn.
So yeah, a dining position will roughly pay you $10 an hour, and for every 3 hours that you work, they give you a meal coupon worth $10.
You're allowed to work 20 hours a week. Like I only work 10 hours a week, so yeah, I make like $100 a week. I think as soon as you land here, be prepared to spend around $1,500 to $2,000 in just your insurance, your furniture, and just utilities and things like that. A little over 16,000 every semester in tuition alone. No, either you can do research or you can work, but I don't think they give scholarship opportunities for international students.